can I share platform suggestions?
We love hearing feedback from CLA members and are always looking for ways to improve the Christmas Light Academy experience. If you have an idea, suggestion, feature request, or improvement you'd like to see, simply send us an email with as much detail as possible. Many of the features, training modules, and improvements inside CLA have come directly from feedback submitted by business owners just like you. When submitting a suggestion, try to explain the problem you're experiencing, what you'd like to see improved, and how it would help your company. The more details you can provide, the better. You can also post your ideas and suggestions inside our private Facebook members group. This is a great place to share feedback, ask questions, and allow other CLA members to contribute to your idea or request as well. We truly believe we build CLA together, and some of our best improvements have come directly from conversations with our members. While we can't guarantee every suggestion will be implemented, we carefully review all feedback and use it to help guide future updates to the platform. To submit a suggestion, email us at admin@thechristmaslightacademy.com or post inside the CLA members group.